What's going on YouTube world? Austin Zay back here with another YouTube video, and in this video I have some very exciting things to share with you, right? I'm going to show you my business, right? I'm going to show you all of my businesses. As a matter of fact, I might even draw it all out for you just to give you guys a rundown on exactly how I make money, what my different income streams are, and kind of how I've structured everything. But really quick, I want to show you guys something. So I'm standing here actually in my new office, okay? This is my new office right here, and I'm just going to show you guys around. So here, follow me over here really quick. I'm going to show you guys something. So I'm gonna give you a tour, okay? You want a tour? Like this video right now. No, I'm serious. Like, did you like it? Like the video right now if you want to see a tour. Okay, so over here we have a big executive office. Okay, that's where my ads guy is gonna sit. We got multiple desks for him because we're gonna build out a freaking ads team that runs everybody's ads. Okay, in all different industries. And basically, what you're looking at right here is going to be the real estate part of my business. Okay, so behind me is gonna be real estate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 desks. And I'm probably gonna do more, right? I'm gonna do maybe some standing desks like right here. I think I'm gonna do a standing desk here, and I'm gonna do a standing desk there, a standing desk there, and a standing desk there. Okay, so I have 9 total desks for my real estate businesses, okay? I do own 2 real estate businesses. I'll show you guys that here in just a second, so stay tuned, okay? Because I'm gonna show you guys that, what that looks and feels like, right? I own a wholesaling company and then a traditional real estate team as well, okay? So, guys, check it out. In here is gonna be like the break room. So obviously we're still moving. We're getting a bunch of stuff done. But basically this is where, eat food, hang out, chill, okay? Do the damn thing. Now, drop in the comment section below. My partner, Austin Lewis, wants to do a poker table right here. I'm thinking we do a ping pong table. What do you think? Should we do poker or ping pong? Poker, ping pong? Let me know down below. Okay, so we got a kitchen area right here. You can frickin' whip up your coffee, okay, right here. I wanna get an espresso machine, but for now, we got a Keurig, okay? So we're working on it, we're making it happen. This is going to be our conference room, okay? So if you guys can see behind me is a conference room, do a bunch of meetings, make a bunch of freaking money in there, okay? All right, guys, so out here is a legacy marketing, right? If you guys are familiar, you follow me on Instagram, obviously you subscribe to me on YouTube, you understand that I own a marketing company. So we got a bunch of people out here working right now, and basically they're doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that. This right here is where the magic happens, okay? If you're watching this video, the man with the plan sits right here. So if you're watching this, you see some dope edits. It's because Junior edited the video, okay?
Don't want any copyright claim.
Have to pause the music so we don't get copyrighted, all right? Because YouTube's like that. We got Brandon Condi in here. Brandon Condi doesn't sit at his desk. He sits in his chair. Because why would you sit at your desk if you had one, right? He's our #1 sales guy right now. Not for long, okay? There's a lot of people on his tail. But it is what it is. You guys follow Austin Lewis? Let me know. This is Austin Lewis right here. Let's check out his office, okay? He's got freaking triple monitors. What do you guys think? What should he do? He's like, this setup, I think it's pretty fucking plain, okay? It's pretty plain. Pretty freaking plain. I beat myself out, okay? All right, guys, so that's what we got going on here. Basically, in the long run, we're gonna have a studio out here, so if you guys can see, we're starting to set up to have a studio, right? To record a bunch of videos for you and teach you guys everything that it is that you wanna know, right? About entrepreneurship, business, right? Finance, whatever it is that you want to know. Maybe it's the stock market, maybe it's retiring, maybe it's real estate, maybe it's marketing, SMMA, it might be like e-commerce or social media. Whatever it is that you're looking to learn, I hope that I'm able to deliver that knowledge, right? That knowledge, that value, that wisdom right to you so you can literally see that. If you turn around right here, this is where eventually we're gonna have an admin sitting, okay? That way, when you come to the office, you can't just walk in, you gotta check in with an admin and ultimately make it happen. Now, if you guys look right here, is currently, I was thinking about starting like a wheel shop. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Should we or should we not start selling wheels out of this office? Okay, that's what we're doing here. So we're gonna start wholesaling wheels. We buy them at like 5 grand. We'll sell them at like 10 grand. I figure, it's another cool little business we can start. Now I'm just messing with you. These are my old wheels to some of my cars, okay? And I moved them here. If you want some wheels, definitely drop in the comment section down below. Let's jump to the coolest part of the video, right? A lot of you guys, you probably ask me, or you wonder, right? Maybe you follow me on Instagram, you watch me on YouTube, and I feel like a lot of people watch YouTubers they watch people on Instagram, they watch like quote unquote influencers, and you know, there's always that question of like, how do you actually make the money, right? Like, where does the money actually come from? Do you get paid by having followers? Do you get paid by having subscribers? Like, how is it that you actually make money? And so, if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna draw it up here literally right now, how I make money, okay? So, stay tuned. Okay, so essentially what I've created is I've created a holding company. Now, you might be asking, like, why do you have a holding company? What is a holding company used for? And essentially the reason that I created a holding company was because my accountant was like, Austin, you want like a holding company to hold these other companies, right? And then all these other companies actually pay that holding company, and the holding company pays me a salary every single year for tax purposes and for liability purposes, okay? So you have this holding company, let's just call it that, right? Obviously there's a name on the LLC. So you have that holds a couple of different things, okay? I'm gonna draw this out for you so you guys can see. It holds a company called Alegacy Marketing. Okay, what is Alegacy Marketing? Alegacy Marketing is a marketing company who focuses basically on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and basically any online social media platform, right? What do? We do anything and everything, okay? Whatever it is that you're looking to do, essentially we can do, right? We can run ads on your behalf, we can do full-blown content creation, content management, we can do strategy sessions, we can come in and teach your business how to use social media properly, we can grow your following, we can get you on the Explore page, we can get you verified. Essentially, whatever it is that you're looking to do on social media, we can make happen, right? We can build you a full-blown funnel, okay? We can take your business and literally build funnels so you can take the knowledge, you can extract the knowledge that you have in your head, and you can actually start to monetize on that knowledge. Because I know a lot of people that know a lot of things, right? But they don't know how to monetize on that knowledge. So, you know, that's another thing, obviously, that Alegacy Marketing does. We do WordPress websites, right? We do graphic design, we do copywriting, whatever it is literally that you need. This company actually holds like another 3 or 4 companies, but for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna get into it, okay? So we have Alegacy, and then we have right here, this company, okay? This company is called Cash for Houses. What is this company? Right now, it's essentially a wholesaling company. If you're not familiar with wholesaling, I'm gonna put a link right here, right now. Go ahead and click that link. You can go watch a video on wholesaling. It's essentially where you flip the paperwork of a real estate deal, right? So you don't ever own that specific piece of real estate, meaning you don't have to buy that piece of real estate. You just control the real estate, right? You have equitable interest in the real estate in order to market it to the general public, to find an end user that will actually put up the money to buy the deal, and you get paid a finder's fee, aka an assignment fee, or you can double close and make your wholesale profit. Now, another thing that Cash for Houses does is it actually buys real estate. So again, just like this company owns another couple of companies, and we actually go and we'll actually fix and flip real estate ourselves. We also do creative deal structure, like subject twos, lease backs, lease options, all kinds of creative finance inside the world of real estate, because obviously there's a lot of money to be made there, okay? So that is another source or stream of income that I have, right? So moving on to our next one is our ATM business. Okay, now Austin, what is an ATM business? I wish I could show you. I actually just ordered an ATM for this office, okay, because we're gonna, charge people to come and hang out here. No, I'm just kidding. But we are gonna have an ATM here so we can, show people kind of our business model and how it works. And there's a lot of different facets of this business that we are focused on. But essentially, so it's how you would think about it, right? You go to a strip club, you go to a nightclub, you go to the club, you go to the grocery store, you go to a hair salon, wherever you go, and you need to pull out cash, you need to make money, and you know that annoying frickin' surcharge fee that you always pay? Yeah, that's me taking your money and putting it into my bank account. So that is kind of what we focus on in the ATM company. And I know, just like you watching this right now, I always hated that damn surcharge fee. So I'm telling you, you got to get on the opposite side of the game so you can be the guy or gal collecting that money rather than paying it, okay? There's a lot of money in this business right here. So that is another business that we own, okay? Moving on, we have what I call the Zabak Group, okay? And you're like, Austin, what the heck is the Zabak Group, and why did you name a company your last name? And I'll tell you what it is. It is my traditional real estate business. So I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Arizona, hung my license with a broker, right? My Home Group. and I started what they call a real estate team, where other real estate agents actually come on. They join my team for a number of reasons, and we go out and we represent buyers and sellers in the world of real estate on the traditional side. So two totally different things from this real estate business, which is why they are totally separate. Okay, so that is another big stream of income and something that obviously we focus on quite a bit. Moving right along, we have over here what I would say just like small income. Okay, this is like little, like just random things that we do, and I can just kind of name them one off, right? You know, one of them might be social media. Okay, this could include YouTube, it could include Instagram, it could be anything. You know, these aren't big streams of income. They don't hardly pay a phone bill, but it is a stream of income, and therefore I do want to put it on here because, you know, down the line this could actually be something significant, right? It could be something that pays a lot more than what it pays right now. So like YouTube, you have YouTube ad revenue. I don't make a ton of money because I don't have a ton of subscribers yet, but we will. Okay, so we're fired up for greatness right here, right? And there's some other odds and ends like cryptocurrency. I obviously have some buy and hold real estate, you know, some Forex and stuff like that, you know, stocks, bonds, all kinds of things that we obviously hold on to. So guys, this is it, okay? These are the main streams of income that I have personally in my life right now. You know, aside from a lot of the smaller things. So if you're looking to become an entrepreneur, you're looking to become a business owner, I encourage you to freaking do it, right? You know, I'm literally gonna show you, as a matter of fact, on the screen right now, check this out. This is my old office, okay? Right now, literally, are you looking? All right, that's my old office. We just moved here. It was like 600 or 700 square feet. We just moved into a 5,000 square foot building. And man, I tell you what, you'd have never told me 3 or 4 or 5 years ago, hey, Zabak, you're gonna own, you know, an office. It's literally the width of the Optima, okay, one of the nicest apartment complexes in the state of Arizona, as an office space. But the reality of it is that I always had belief, man. I was convicted of my goals and my dreams that we would make this happen. And so if you're watching this, you know, understand that I'm nothing special, right? I didn't do that well in school. I didn't go to college. I didn't get a degree, but I was convicted of my goal and my dream, and I was willing to outwork anybody, right? Anybody in the room, anybody in the building, anybody in the state, or anybody in the country for that matter. And that's exactly how I got to where I'm at. And I'm telling you right now that if I can do it, so can you. So without further ado, you know, go ahead and subscribe, right? Smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm gonna be dropping freaking valuable content all the time. We're gonna have fun. We'll jump out of airplanes naked. Whatever the hell we have to do to get you to subscribe, we're gonna make it happen. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Drop in the comment section down below what you'd like to see in the next one, and I look forward to seeing you there.